Hello everybody, welcome back to the Vera Project. This is Melissa and I did a couple of videos for DIY Easter for this year. So just take a look at it. I apologize that my head was cut off. Hopefully you guys like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us by sharing our page with Instagram, IG, Facebook, Twitter, and all the other social medias, and tell your friends about us. And if you have any ideas or comments that you would like to leave, please drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Like a little cute ballerina basket. If your little girl's into dancing or princesses. Very nice and cute and simple DIY. For our next project, we're going to keep going with the little baskets. Now, if you're not a big fan of the straw basket, you can always get something simple. This was very cute. It's glitter pink, little bucket. I found it at Target in the Easter section for $1. You can't beat that. So if you want to do something more simple, let's get started. So inside this egg is little bricks that they can, it comes with 33 pieces. Little bricks that they can build, which I thought was pretty cool, instead of getting them, eggs with candy. If you don't want your kids to have that, these are pretty cool at Target. This one has a lot of beads, so if you guys want to make bracelets or necklaces, I thought that was pretty cool as well. And then this bunny one, the Peep Bunny, it comes with one dough and a cutter, which I thought was pretty cool too, instead of, the usual candy. Put it in there. You can leave it like that, or you can wrap it up. There we go. Have a nice, cute, simple DIY basket for your little one. Very cute, and they have other colors, and we'll do those next for the boys. I got different colors that they have at the little buckets basket at the Target. Again, I got all these at the Target store, the dollar section. Let's start with this one. And I forgot to mention that this Play-Doh here, I had to read this twice. You can play with it in the bathtub, so it's specifically for that, which I thought was pretty cool. So this one's different too. It's a water gel. It just turns the liquid into a solid. So if your kids are into science, which one of them is mine? And this one comes with a little construction truck to build. And this one's the same thing with a Play-Doh. And then this Play-Doh with that you can play with in the water. There you go, guys. Nice and simple, right? It took less than 5 minutes just to prepare everything if you don't have much time with the kiddos around. So nice DIY. And then let me bring out the girl. I have 3 of them, so that's good. I don't have any more, but there's 3 nice DIY baskets that you can do, and you can pick out your own little things for them hands-on to do. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the Vera Project.